Hello again, everyone. Thank you again for joining me, and welcome back, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing my second collaboration with my little pouring art family, a Facebook group from girls and guys from all over the world. So it's quite a big collaboration again, probably about 17 artists. I'll list all their links and Facebook pages and YouTube channels at the end of the video and also in my description box below. So I'd love you to go and watch all their videos and give them some support. So today we had to use 3 colors, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, gold, and 1 color of our choice, and I chose purple. So I'm going to do a spade pour. Then you had to, or you do any kind of pour you wanted. A flip cup, flop cup, ring pour, Dutch pour, anything you wanted, but then you had to do a smear. So I haven't done many smears, so let's hope I can manage it okay. So that's it, so let's get started. So I'm just going to put some white paint in my spade or dustpan. Oh, nearly dropped my paint. So this is the Prussian blue. The cobalt blue. I'm going to put some gold next. Some purple. Now these are just Montmartre paints with some Floetrol. So about 40% paint and 60% Floetrol. Except this one, that's just a Montmartre pouring paint. So I'll just put some more white here. Some of the Prussian blue. Some of the cobalt blue. There's probably going to be far too much paint for this canvas. A bit of the purple. A bit of the gold. As you can see, I like gold. And we'll finish off with some white. And I'm just going to put some designs in it. Okay, so now we will start pouring this on. Now this is much too much paint, but I'm just going to let it run over the side and bring it down. Actually, it's not too much paint, so that's good. Just bring that back a bit. Down. Let it go over the side. Okay, that's done. I'll just bring that back a bit. And down a little bit. Because I've got too much paint, and also just to make the composition a little bit better, just bring it back a little bit more. Okay, so now it's smearing time. Now some white paint, which is the titanium with Floetrol. Let's bring that down here. Now I don't want too many smears. I might just smear that across there. Might bring that smear down here. And along here. That will probably do. Although I might just use my bit of plastic here and just do some little smears here. Just better bring one through there. Okay, well I think that's probably it. Although I might just get rid of that there. Well, maybe that there. I just take that way. And I really would like to fix that little bit there. Okay. Well, I think I better leave it because I just keep going and going. Actually, one more just there. Okay. Now I'm just going to torch that. Well, I'm quite happy with that. We'll see how it dries in the morning. So I'll be back in the morning with the dried result and I'll show you some close-ups. Well, here we are. It's 48 hours later. It didn't quite dry yesterday, so I had to wait another day. But here it is hanging up on the wall, and I really do love it. I really do. I love the colours. So thank you, Amy, for picking these colours. They're beautiful. I've actually done another one as well with the same colours, and I quite like both of them, but this is the first one I did, so I'm using this one. And the other one's not dry anyway. So this is it. So thank you so much for watching this collaboration. If you're new, thank you so much. And please go and check all the other girls. I know they'd love for you to go and support their channels as well. And please subscribe. I'd love that. My subscribers are slowly climbing. I have 255 now, I think it is. So I would like to hit 500. That's my goal, actually, just 500. That's all I really want. Then I'd think, well, it's worth it. Anyway, I'll be back in a few days with something else. So thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Happy painting and creating. Bye.